Hi, I'm Beth Anne, and I'm the production coordinator here at America's Home Place in Blairsville. We're inside the Union model. Today I'm going to talk to you about the color selection process when you build a home with America's Home Place. Color selections is where you get to pick the exterior and interior finishes of your home. First, you get to pick your exterior finishes. These options include your siding, your roof color, your window pane style, shutters, your gutter color, your front door type, and your front door color. Depending upon your plan, you may even get to choose rock, stone, or brick to accent your home. Next, you get to pick out your interior finishes. This includes your paint colors, your flooring, your cabinets, your countertops, and more. We'll go through and review your choices and make sure that we have your final approval. Once that's done, you're one step closer to your new custom home. Hopefully this video answered the questions you have about the color selection process at America's Home Place. Come visit us at the Blairsville office or go to americashomeplace.com and find the office nearest you. Thanks for watching.